Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove your nickname on Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to the menu icon, tap on your profile, tap on edit profile, scroll down and here you can see edit your about info and here you can see others name. Just tap on that pencil icon and here if you want to edit your name you can simply tap on edit name, or if you want to delete your name you can just simply tap on delete name and you will be able to delete your name. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.